Good morning, children. Welcome to today's lecture. And today, according to your timetable, you have English language as your subject. So, in the previous videos, the topics that we have covered till now is the in the book we have completed the first chapter, the sentences and phrases, and we have also done letter writing. We have also completed the essay writing. We have also completed the unseen passage. So these are the topics covered so far, and till now we have not done any book work or any copy work. Okay, so today I will be doing the copy work of the first chapter, that is sentences. For sentences I have already given one video on the chapter which you already have in the school app. If you have not studied that chapter well, you can again go and see that video. We have discussed, we have done a revision also in the live class of the same chapter, so I don't think there's a need to revise the chapter again. Okay, in this video, so we'll be directly doing the exercise work. So this is the chapter sentences. Come on, exercise 1. This exercise will be done in copy, the entire exercise. You will write in the copy. I have not written the questions in my copy, but you will copy down the questions also. This exercise is given on page number 5. Okay, now come to exercise B. In exercise B, this exercise will also be done in copy on page number 6. I have only written the answers of this question of these exercise. You have to write the question first and then the exercise. Okay, now come on exercise C. Tick the correct option. So these are the things, these are the answers. You can see these. I will share the answers in the PDF. The PDF will be already the PDF will be uploaded in your school app only. So these are the answers of exercise C, and here this is your exercise B. You have to identify the subject, you have to circle the subject, and you have to underline the predicate. So this also has been done. You can see this from the PDF. Okay, and you can solve the exercises. Now here comes exercise E. Underline the phrases and encircle the clause. This also I have done. Match the following also I have done. You will put numbers like this. Okay, we have also done add subject and predicate to the following sentences. Okay, here is one correction. Cut is and write in. Okay, this I have written here. So these are the exercise. Here also this is the exercise. Exercise H. Match the phrases that have opposite meaning. So here also numbers I have put, like same numbers also. I'll be sharing all these uh, exercise questions in your school app as a PDF. Now let's come to copy work. See, first if you are starting, you have to make one plain copy like this for English language. Okay, this plain copy ruled on both the sides. Okay, so this is your index page which you have to fill. You have to fill the index at any cost. Next, leave this page and the second page for your, you will also make your syllabus planner. You will also write your syllabus planner here, which I will be sharing in the online orientation session. Okay, in the online orientation session we'll be doing this planner. I'll be sharing the planner as a PDF only, and you will be copying the planner here. So that is why I have also left the page here. Okay, now here you write chapter 1, the sentence, and here first you will put the date here, date, and then chapter 1, the sentence, and here you will write the definition of sentence first, like this. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. A sentence begins with a capital letter. A sentence can end with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark, and these are the examples. See, don't forget to draw lines. See, I have drawn line here, I have drawn line here, here also I have drawn line. Here also I have drawn, and after completing this section I have again drawn a line. Okay, then you will do exercise A. You will write exercise A like this. Here you will write the question also. Okay, rearrange the words again, whatever the question written here. So first you will write the question, then you will write this answer. So there are 6 questions which you have to do here. Okay, now next comes kinds of sentences. See, I have written like this only, the 4 kinds of sentences. What is declarative sentence, types of declarative sentence, affirmative sentence, and negative sentence. You will write, draw a column like this. I have written everything as a note in short. Okay, these are the notes, so these will be written in short only. Interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Next is your exercise B. Here also you will write here exercise B. Here you will write the question, whatever question will be given, and you'll be solving the exercise like this only. Okay, next comes parts of sentences, subject and predicate. What is subject, what is predicate? I have explained it with 2 examples. And next is phrases and clauses. What is phrase with an example, what is clause with an example. You read this also, refer to the PPT also. I have taught the entire thing with the PPT only, and I have also shared the PPT in your school app also, and I have also shared the PPT in your school WhatsApp group also. Okay, so you can refer to the PPT from there and study from the PPT. Everything is given in detail in the PPT and in your book. So in total you have to read your book, you have to see the video, you have to you can study from the notes also, you can study from the PPT also. So there are 4 resources, 4 sources from which you can study. Okay, so we have provided a good quality of online class, and I think which will be very beneficial for you. Okay, so these all are the things that we have done. See, I have drawn lines at proper places. Copy exactly as I have copied, draw lines on the same place where I have drawn. Okay, drawing line, see, it makes your copy look neat. See, I have made half line, full line. This is half line, and at the last of the chapter I have drawn a full line. Okay, it means that the chapter is complete. Okay, this is my way of understanding. This means full line means that chapter is complete, and half lines means that still the chapter is not complete, and after each section I'm drawing a line. Okay, see, these are the things that you have to do, and you will be doing this thing, and you will be sending the photo of your work in your class WhatsApp group. Okay, so stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, and prevent yourself uh, from the dangerous disease of coronavirus. Okay, bye children, we will meet very soon in the next lecture. Thank you.